me, Kenya, from my life, and today we're going to be doing the two same slimes. Oops. Two same slimes, but we're going to do something different. So first, I like pink, so I'm going to do pink first, even though I'm wearing blue. So this pink one is very sticky, not too sticky, good, but I don't think my favorite YouTuber would like it. Either way, it's a very good texture, not too good texture, but pretty good. So I feel like for this one, we can keep it the same, kind of like, and then I think I'm gonna add more lotion. One tiny squirt of a lotion, because you know we always need some lotion, unless it's lotion. No, that's wrong. Here's crackle. I'm going to be quiet so that way you can hear it. Ooh, that sounds crunchy. Crunch! It's like a candy crunch. Okay, it's time to pour some slime somewhere now. Sorry for the background noises. Okay. So that's it for this one. Now on to the big one. Like legit, this one is a little sticky. Wait, be right back. That just sucks. Okay, I just gotta go. I just gotta get.